Hello children, let's begin with the second part, History, Chapter 1, Indian Subcontinent and History. Let us start with the recapitulation of the previous presentation. As we have seen in the previous presentation, the four major components of history on which history stands. They are place, time, individual and society. How is history connected to geography? Place. Among all the pillars of history, place is related to its geographical condition. The history of the Indian subcontinent has also been influenced by the physical features of the land in many ways. Diet, clothing, housing and occupations. Geographical condition and the human life. How the geographical condition of a place affects the human life. Let us see through the table given below. Hilly region, not much fertile land is available, whereas on the plains, more fertile land is available. Scarcity of grains and vegetables can be seen in the hilly region, whereas on the plains, surplus amount of grains and vegetables are available. Humans have difficult life in the hilly region, whereas humans have comfortable life in the plains. Sources of our livelihood. Climate, rainfall, agricultural produce, fauna, flora. We can see the difference in all the sources of livelihood in the hilly areas. Climate, how is the weather? Hilly is more cold, whereas plain is less. Rainfall, the amount of rainfall is not the same in hilly and the plain areas. Agricultural produce depends upon the soil fertility. Flora, plants are not the same in both areas. Fauna, animals are also seen in differences. Where we live, we get the things to be used in our daily life. And this is how the human settlements take place. Scarcity of natural resources. Degradation of the environment by continuous deforestation. Drought, invasions or attacks of the foreigners. Because of above these three factors, villages and towns became deserted. The native people were forced to leave the place. We have seen many such examples in history. This is how we can say that there is a close relation between history and geography.
1.2 Geographical features of India. What all things are in India? Look at the Indian map from east to the west and north to the south. Northern part of India has the Great Himalayan mountain, whereas eastern part of India has the Bay of Bengal. Western side of India has Arabian Sea. Southern side of India has Indian Ocean. Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep are the islands which are very part of India. The ancient India was more wide in the past. The Bangladesh and Pakistan was also the part of India before 1947.
Major physiographic divisions. The Himalayas, the plains of Sindhu Ganga Brahmaputra, the Thar Desert, the Deccan Plateau, the coastal regions, the islands in the seas are the important regions which are important to understand Indian history in a better way. The Himalayas and the Hindu Kush. The Himalayan mountain is one of the beautiful piece of nature to see. The Himalayan mountain which protects India from outsiders. If you have to go to Hindu Kush mountain, you have to go through the Khyber Pass and Bolan Pass. By following these passes, we can go to Pakistan by the roadways. The Himalayas, an impenetrable wall. This wall separates the Indian subcontinent from the desert of Central Asia. The land routes Khyber and Bolan passes reaches you to the Hindu Kush mountain. Silk Route is also known as Silk Road. The trade route from China passed through Central Asia and reached Arabia is called as Silk Route. Silk was the main commodity exported to the Western countries from China. Many foreign travelers also had come to India by using this Silk Route, as India was considered as one of the rich country in wealth. The plains of the Sindhu Ganga Brahmaputra. This region consists of the basins of the three big rivers Sindhu, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. This region extends from Sindh Punjab in the west to the present day Bangladesh in the east. The plains of the Sindhu Ganga Brahmaputra river consists of the basins of the big rivers Sindhu, which is also known as the Indus river, near Punjab in the west to the present Bangladesh in the east. The Ganga river near Uttar Pradesh, the Brahmaputra river near below Assam, that is Bangladesh in the east. Children, you might be wondering about what are tributaries. Small rivers which meets in the big rivers are called tributaries. As a conclusion, we can say that Sindh Punjab region had the oldest human civilization of the world, which is known as Harappan civilization. This was the modern civilization of the world. Later, many rulers had come in the ancient India. Children, definitely we are going to explore more about the ancient India in our next lesson. Till then, keep on reading the book. Thank you.